Hello, dear viewers. I hope you all are doing great. Today, I am going to answer the question of why God created this universe. So, the answer is that God created the universe without needing reason, thought, or words. It's like the way a beautiful rose blossoms naturally, with its vibrant red color and delicate fragrance without consciously deciding to be that way. Similarly, water doesn't require any planning or verbalization to become wet. It's an inherent property of water, much like God's connection to the universe. In this intricate tapestry of existence, the divine presence weaves through everything, much like the threads of a timeless and profound masterpiece. That's it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Take care. Bye bye.